Hello guys, so in a very quick one, let me show you the step-by-step to solve this Jamb mathematics question. So if you look at this question, let's start this very well. This is the diagram. So for the figure, it is cyclic quadrilateral JKML with the angle KOM is equal to 88 degrees. We're told to find the angle JMK. So we're given that to find the angle JMK. So where is our JMK located? The angle JMK. So we are looking at the angle we have here. This is angle M here. That is what is JMK here. You're told to find this angle here. Okay. Now, how do you solve this angle here? How do you solve this question? This kind of question. The first thing is to observe the diagram you will be given. Okay, you can see the circle geometry and so you understand this context, this diagram. So let's look at the circle here. Let's start it very well here. We always say to find the angle JMK. So where's the JMK? We have the JMK. So it is located at the first triangle here. We have the triangle JMK. This is the triangle JMK. Now, if you consider this triangle here, what do you notice there? You know this side here, okay, the symbol here and this symbol, the same symbol here. That means that this side and this side are equal. Okay, this side and this side are equal. If you still remember the types of triangle that have two sides equal, it is called isosceles triangle. Okay, and the fact about isosceles triangle, the one of the practice said that the base angle of isosceles triangle are always equal. So that means that this angle here, okay, the angle K here and the angle M here are equal to each other according to the isosceles triangle. Again now, so in mathematically, we can say the angle JKM, okay, is equal to the angle JMK, because let's say consider that the angle here is equal to, let's say it's equal to A. Again, let's say it's equal to A. Just now, this is isosceles triangle. The base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. The angle M here and the angle K here are equal to each other. Now, to get the value of this M here, because you don't know it, now you have to get any value of this angle here, this J here. If you consider this place and this is a triangle here, now how do we get the value of J here? Because in the question we only give this angle KOM, so KOM is equal to 88 degrees. With this we can get our value, or we can get the angle J. Just now, if you want to get the angle J, just remember this theorem in circle geometry. The angle at the center is equal to twice the angle at the circumference. And now to get the angle at the circumference is to be half of the angle at the center. Now, this is not the angle at the center to this circumference here. The angle we have here, 88, is the center to this circumference here. Do you understand? This 88 is half of this angle of the circumference here. Do you understand? Now to get the angle of this J here, it will be half of the angle at the center here, and the angle at the center here is not given. Now how do we find the angle at the center here? So let's say the angle at the center here, this place is equal to B. Let's say that is equal to D. B, let's say they are equal to B. Let me do it at angle KOM. Apart from D, let's angle KOM is equal to B. So that B is equal to angle KOM. Okay, so that means that the angle at the center here, is equal to B. Now to get the angle of this B here, it will be equal to sum of the angle at the center, which is equal to 360 degrees. That means that sum of this angle and this angle here is equal to 360 degrees, and the angle we have here, we say it is what? B. Do you understand? Now that will be sum of this, that the sum of the angle 88 plus angle B equal to 360 degrees. That is angle at the center, which is equal to 360 degrees. Now to get the value of what our B now is, you have to collect light time. That is our B is equal to 360. Takes on the other side, that is minus what? 88. Now 360 minus 88, that gives us 272. So we have 272 that is equal to B is equal to what? 272. Are we following now? Now, to make it easy now, we will get this angle here is equal to 272. Now, to get the angle at this the circumference here, to get the angle KGM, it will be half of the angle at this center here. It will be half of this. So you can say therefore, okay, the angle KGM, okay, the angle KGM is equal to half of the B, like B over 2. Again, what is our B? Our B is 272 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 272, that will be equal to, that is 136. So that means that our angle KJM is equal to 136 degree. Okay, that's 136 degree. So that means that the angle we have here, this angle J here, is equal to 136 degree. Now we have get this angle as 136 degree. Now to get this angle M here now, you consider this is a triangle. Sum of the angle in the triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means that the sum of this angle K, angle J, and angle M is equal to 180 degree. So our angle A and our angle K here, I say it's the same thing as angle M here, which is represented as A. So our angle K here is equal to what? A plus angle M here is equal to A, okay, because base angle as a set triangle are always equal, and plus the angle J we get here as 130 what? 136 what degree is equal to 180 degree. That is sum of the angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now in a very quick one, A plus A, that's give us 2A, that's have 2A plus what? 136 degree equal to 180. Now to get the value of this, now you have to collect lifetime. Let me try to create space here. Or to collect lifetime. So when you collect the lifetime, what will be happen? This 136 will goes to this part. That as we have our 2A, okay, equal to 180. This one to minus that is minus 136. Again on. So 180 minus 136, that's equal to 44. So we have a 2 what? A is equal to 44 degree. Now to get the value of A here now, divided by both side by 2, divide both side by 2. So 2 here, cancel this 2 here, okay? So 2 in 44, 2 here 1, 2 in 44, that is 22. So that means that our angle A is equal to, that is 22 degree. So this our angle M, let me bring it out. This our angle M here. Angle M here is equal to A, and which is equal to 22. So let me try to zoom in so you guys can see it. Okay. So this place now, the angle M here is equal to 22. Since we said this angle here and this angle here are equal, so angle M here is equal to 22, and angle K here is equal to 22. So therefore, our angle JMK is equal to 22 degree. So that is the solution to this question. So you can see the option is option A. That is how I solve this mathematics question. Join me in the next class for another interesting video like this. Don't forget to share with your friend and follow us and like this video, subscribe, and it depends anywhere you are watching or at this moment. Thank you. We shall meet in the next class.